Good morning everyone, my name is Basco from BSC's IT 42 of Pamantasan Lungsod ng Manila. So, the topic of today is about 3D printing. 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing or additive process, is the opposite of cutting pieces together. 3D printing, we're using thin plastic materials as shown in this picture. The first step of 3D printing is drawing your material or the product you want to create in AutoCAD. The process of 3D printing starts with scanning your material or the product you want to copy in a 3D printer scanner. The 3D printer scanner scans the object and then produces a 3D model in the computer. So, using this 3D model, the 3D printer will do the job automatically. After we scan the object, the 3D printer will do its job. We just have to wait until the product is finished. That's all for 3D printing.